up to my first trip to Antarctica, I did a ton of research on what type of clothing to bring, especially for the zodiac cruises and the trips to land. Honestly, it was a little overwhelming, and I wasn't sure what I really needed or did not need. So I ended up overpacking last time because I kept adding what I would find on these packing lists online, and it was too much. It was all out of fear. I didn't need all of that. So this time around, I'm very confident in what I'm bringing, and while this isn't going to be a comprehensive packing video, I wanted to give you a visual guide for how I layer during outings in Antarctica. So each layer will also have specifics on what brand and whatnot, so feel free to take notes or screenshots or whatever floats your boat. So without further ado, I introduce you to Flat Caitlin, aka my floating head. I know it's a little creepy, just bear with me, because it'll get better, I promise. So first things first, you're going to look at your base layers, and base layers are going to be what's closest to your skin. Top-wise, I like Cuddle Duds, and then for my bottoms, I'm bringing base layer pants from Dope Snow. I didn't wear these last time, but I'm really excited about them, especially because they match my outer pants, so it's going to be kind of fun. I also, sock-wise, I wear, they're really fuzzy socks from Heat Holders. I really liked them last time. Sometimes if I felt like it was going to be a little bit colder, I would wear a normal pair of socks and then the Heat Holders on top. It just kind of depends on how cold and whatnot. Your mid layers are going to be what's, on top of your base layer. It's the middle layer. And the only mid layer I wear is the Patagonia pullover. Last time I did wear more of a mid layer pants. However, this time around my outer pants are insulated, whereas last time they weren't, so I'm not wearing a mid layer pants this time. And then for mid layers, a neck warmer is really nice to have. I also got it from Heat Holders. I got it off Amazon. It's just really fuzzy. It's not itchy, not overly sensitive if you don't like things touching you. So, and it kept me pretty warm last time as well. And then your outer layer, obviously that's what's on the outside, what's exposed to the elements. Bottoms, I did, again, pants from Dope Snow. With my first trip, I saw someone make the comment that you should get pants that kind of stand out. Not your typical colors like black or whatnot, because most people are wearing the Expedition parka, and so everyone looks alike. So if you have a different color of pants, it's easier to identify yourself in group shots. So pro tip. Also, the top jacket-wise, I wear the Expedition parka. I can't guarantee that every cruise operation offers an Expedition parka. Both of mine have. My first cruise was with Quark Expeditions, and this is with Albatross Expeditions. And for both of these, you get to keep it afterwards, so that's pretty neat. It's a really cool souvenir, honestly. And then gloves, you're going to want some kind of waterproof gloves as well as liners, just because it does get cold with your hands. And then a hat as well, something that's going to cover your ears. I also got it from Heat Holders, surprise, surprise. Your boots will be available from the company. They essentially rent them during your time on the ship, and then you return them, so you don't need to bring really bulky boots down with you. Save some space, they offer them. And typically they'll have a form for you to fill out before you get on the ship about what sizes you need for Expedition parkas and boots and whatnot. Overall, now I'm no longer a floating head. I hope this kind of helps you visualize layering and things while you're on shore and whatnot. But if you are going to Antarctica, I hope you have a great cruise. I hope this helps put your mind at ease a little bit. You don't need 20 million layers, and it's going to be great no matter what.